Hi guys and welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make these chocolate chunk muffins. Let's begin. To get started on the recipe, you'll want to grab yourself a large mixing bowl, and into your mixing bowl place your butter, which has been set at room temperature. Then go ahead and place in your sugar and beat the two together until they are lighter and fluffier in colour and consistency. You're not looking for them to be like a cupcake, but just very well combined. Now you can go ahead and add in your eggs one at a time, beating well in between each addition, being careful not to scramble the mixture as this may happen, and it will more than likely due to the amount of eggs being added, and this is completely normal, but don't worry if it does. If it doesn't, then you're fine to go. Just mix until your eggs are fully incorporated, add in your vanilla and mix until that has been fully incorporated as well. Then give your bowl a good scraping down. This is just to incorporate any bits that may not have been fully worked in from earlier on. You can then go ahead and add in your dry ingredients, which are the plain flour and raisin agent, and then you can just add in the chocolate chips as well. And to make it easier and so you don't overmix the batter, I add all this in by hand and then incorporate it by hand so you know when to stop. Once you've got a clear batter, you're good to go. Now you can go ahead and grab a muffin tray and line it with some muffin liners, and then fill them around 2/3 or 3/4 of the way full, and then you'll want to top them with some more of the chocolate chunks. Again, this is completely optional, but seeing as these are chocolate chunk muffins, why wouldn't you want more chocolate with them? So just top each with a small amount, that's just a few pieces of chocolate on top, then place into your preheated oven and bake them off. I will leave all of the information you will need in the blog post, which you can find linked down below. So here are what the muffins look like once they have been baked and allowed to cool. You can then enjoy them cool, or if you want to eat them while they're still warm, feel free to. But as you can tell, they're studded with chocolate. You don't want to add too much more, otherwise you won't really get too much texture and it'll just be like a giant blob of chocolate. But this way you're getting the best of both worlds, so I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more from me, and I'll be back again soon with another recipe, so join me then. In the meanwhile, don't forget to check out the description. There'll be a link to this recipe, a link to my blog, and links to all my social media, so don't forget to go and follow me over on there. But that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed. Bye guys.